Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleansing thoroughly. This removes surface oils so active gold extracts penetrate. Once done, pat dry and perform a quick 10-minute patch test on your wrist to check sensitivity. Next, open the kit and lay out items in order: cleanser, exfoliant or mask, and nourishing cream. Make sure to read any included leaflet for timing. Apply a thin layer of the cleanser, massaging in small circular motions for 45–60 seconds, so skin is prepped for the treatment. You now apply the gold mask evenly, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas because those need gentler products. After spreading, massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes to stimulate blood flow and help ingredients absorb. This is why massage matters. Once massaged, leave the mask to set for 10 to 15 minutes as instructed. Timing affects brightness and safety. If you feel tingling beyond mild warmth, rinse immediately. Prepare a damp warm towel for soft removal to avoid harsh rubbing. You finish by removing the mask with warm water and a soft cloth, using gentle strokes so you don't strip the newly treated skin. Once dry, apply the supplied nourishing cream and massage until fully absorbed to lock in moisture and the gold complex benefits. Make sure to use sunscreen if going outdoors. Treated skin is more photosensitive. If you experience redness, burning, or swelling, rinse thoroughly, apply a cool compress, and discontinue use. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.